Hi children, let us do subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Okay, straight away. It's very easy. It's a very interesting exercise. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. When we don't borrow, it's very easy, isn't it? Let's enjoy doing this together. Look at our first sum. Okay, load. 3-digit number means ones, tens, hundred. Yes, and we have two sets of numbers here. 666, 332. So we have to minus 666. Big number, take away 332. Shall we? Yes, it's very easy. You're going to enjoy. What do we do now? We must always begin with ones. In the ones place, you have 6 ones minus 2 ones. 6 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 4. 6 ones minus 2 ones gives you 4 ones. So we put 4 here. Yes? Are you enjoying? Good. Here you have 6 tens minus 3 tens. 6 take away 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, you get 3 tens here. 6 take away 3 is 3. That is 3 tens. So we write 3 tens here. We go to the 100 place. In the 100 place, you have 600 minus 300. 600 take away 300. After 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 take away 3. It gives you the answer 3. And here this is 100 place 300. Now let's read the number. We have 300, 3 tens, 4 1. How do we call that? 334. 334 is your answer. Did you enjoy this exercise? Let's take another new sum. Good. We are given ones, tens, 100. 876 minus 123. Let's go to the ones place. 6 ones, take away 3 ones. 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 3 gives you 3. 3 ones. We write down the 3 ones here. We go to the tens place. 7 tens minus 2 tens. 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So we write 5 in the tens place. Good. Next we go to the 100 place. 8 minus 1. What is 8 take away 1? 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So we write 7 tens here. We get 7 tens, 5, 700, 5 tens, 3 1. That is 753. 753 is your answer. Did you enjoy? Let's take another new sum. Look. Ones, tens, 100. 571 minus 330. In the ones place you have 10 minus 1 1 minus 0 ones. So 1 minus 0. 1 take away 0 is 1 itself. So we write 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. Here you have 7 tens minus 3 tens. 7 minus 3. 7 take away 3 is, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 gives you 4. So we write 4 in the tens place. Good. Next we have 500 minus 300. 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3 is, after 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. 2 is your answer. You get 241. 241 is your answer. Did you enjoy? Let's take another new sum. You are given 924 minus 301. In the ones place you have 4 minus 1. 4 take away 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 3 answers, 3 ones. 4 minus 1 gives you the answer 3. So we write 3 in the ones place. Good. In the tens place you have 2 10 minus 0 10. 2 minus 0. 2 take away 0 gives you 2 itself. Good. So we write 2 in the tens place. In the hundred place you have 900, take away 300. 9 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 6. 9 minus 3 gives you the answer 6. So you get the answer 924, take away 301, gives you the answer 623. 623 is your answer. Let's take another sum and work it together. Look, 495 minus 332. 495 minus 332. In the ones place you have 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 gives you the answer 3. So we write 3 in the ones place. Let's go to the tens place. You have 9 tens minus 3 tens. 9 take away 3. What is 9 take away 3? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 3 gives you the answer 6. Good. So we write down 6 in the tens place. In the hundred place you have 400 minus 300. 4 minus 3 gives you the answer 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we write 1 in the hundred place. So 495 minus 332 gives you the answer 163. 163 is your answer. Let's take another sum. You are given 895, take away 192. Let's go to the ones place. You have here 5 ones minus 2 ones. 5 minus 2. Yes. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 gives you the answer 3. So you write down 3 in the ones place. Let's go to the tens place. You have 9 tens minus 9 tens. 9 take away 9. 9 minus 9 gives you the answer 0. So we write 0 in the tens place. Here you have 8 minus 1. 8 take away 1. 800 take away 100 gives you 700. So we write 7 in the hundred place. 895 minus 192 gives you the answer 703. 703 is your answer. Let's take another sum and work it together. Here we have 543 take away 12. 543 minus 12. In the ones place you have 3 minus 2. 3 take away 2 gives you the answer 1. So you write 1 in the ones place. 3 minus 2 gives you the answer 1. In the tens place, you have 4 tens minus 1 tenth. 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1 gives you? Answer 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we write 3 in the tens place. So you have in the tenth, 4 minus 1 is 3. Good. Now let's go to the 100 place. We have 5 in the 100 place. 5 minus 0, 5 take away 0 gives you 5 itself. So we write 5 in the 100 place. 543 minus 12 gives you the answer 531. 531 is your answer. Did you enjoy? Let's take another sum. 241 minus 11. What is 241 minus 11? In the ones place we have 1 minus 1. 1 take away 1 gives you the answer 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So we write 0 in the ones place. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 tens minus 1 tenth. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 gives you the answer 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. So we write 3 in the tens place. In the 100th place, we have 2. 2 minus 0. 2 take away 0 gives you 2 itself. So we write 2 in the 100th place. Good. 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. 241 take away 11 gives you the answer 230. 230 is your answer. Shall we take another new sum? Look, you are given 589. Take away 432. 589 take away 432. In the ones place you have 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 7. 9 minus 2 gives you answer 7. So we write 7 in the ones place. In the tens place you have 8 tens. Take away 3 tens. 8 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 gives you the answer 5, and we write 5 in the tens place. Good. Here you have 500 minus 400. 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 take away 4 gives you 1. So we have 100, 5, 10, 7, 1. 589 minus 432 gives you the answer 157. Good. Shall we look at another new sum? Good. 977 minus 32. 977 minus 32. In the ones place we have 7 1 minus 2 1. 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2 gives you the answer 5. And we write 5 in the ones place. Here you have 7 tenths minus 3 tenths. 7 tenths minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 gives you the answer 4. So we write 4 in the tens place. 900 minus 0, 0. 9 take away 0. 9 minus 0 is 9 itself. So we write 9 here. 977 minus 32 gives you the answer 945.